Okay. I know Nathan will see this later. He's gonna cut them. We got a little Jeep action going. I like that. But the important reason why we're here today is this carbon fiber lip.
We're good. Why you gotta unbox it with that? What are you unboxing?
Huh? This is the E92 LCI carbon fiber front lip.
Okay.
For a 2012 335.
Okay.
So we finna do this unboxing so you see how it looks.
But it's the fuck are you using?
It's a saw.
Okay.
We don't got nothing else over here. This is the first time we looking at it.
First time.
Don't know what it look like
We don't know if it fits.
at all. Don't they?
Very good packaging. We're at the parents' crib today. Say we at the parents' crib today. Okay. See that big smile on your face. Okay.
It look used.
Mr. Stockman, finally.
He said Mr. Stockman.
That looks very good.
This is first time.
Go ahead and mock it up. Mr. Stockman finally decides to your left. Yeah, there you go. He does not know car stuff, so just bear with him. Apply screws. This lip did come with screws. There they go.
Gotta go right here.
Okay, and then what'd you buy?
What do you mean?
What did you buy today?
Blue?
No, the damn 3M tape.
Wow.
Or
It's
you
highly
know what?
recommended from AutoZone.
Alright, so let's get to installing this thing. This man is complete stop.
Complete stock 335. You don't see this car on the channel a lot now.
Okay.
Pick it up.
I hope so. Just picked it up.
Yeah, this is stock 335. You know. Looking
Okay.
to do some mods. First mods I'm doing
Is
put
what?
the lip on.
Alright.
Then we're gonna get some performance mods going.
Okay. How you like it?
It drives good.
Okay. Clean. What color is it?
Alpine white.
Nah, it don't look like.
You said nah. Dude, what?
It don't look like
Go
Alpine
with your
white.
Alpine white, man.
Nah, we're not going with
We're gonna
that.
cut that out, but
Nah, we're not cutting any of this out. You're gonna see all this in there.
this is raw footage.
Yeah, it's
We
raw
gotta cut
footage.
that out.
If it's raw, we're not cutting it out. But it's not Alpine white. He wishes it was Alpine white. And he had it for about 3 years. Still stopped. I'm glad to see him finally breaking in. This ghetto ass jack stand. That should be good. So that. Oh shit.
What?
You should make the wider ones at the bottom.
I know.
That should be good. It should be good. It should be good. The jack's gonna hold it too. So we're using this bug and tar remover, and it does say formulate to remove bugs, tar, tree sap, and grease. We just want to just remove everything.
Everything.
So 3M6 perfectly.
Perfectly. I'm about to. I'm get some good shots. Make sure you look at them. This is the debut. This is debuting on your channel. I can't see what I'm recording. The screen went black. Yeah. I try to get clean with the little keychain hanging.
The bottom isn't carbon fiber, that's why it's on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
He doesn't care.
I do care. Let's look at the other project cars.
Go do a walk around the IS.
The damn IS, bro. Huh?
In my last video was about the IS though.
Yeah, they know about this thing right here. Look kind of dirty.
Yeah.
We like it that way though. Damn, I know your lip cracked.
We get size first next and paint it all at the same time.
Nice. What? You said we want some more footage. We're looking at your car. Huh?
I'm about to finish it today.
We needed the dang jack stand. This is Too Slow M3 right here. It's a 2002 BMW E46 M3. Yeah. Alright. It look good from up there? This, man. You got a damn thing, though. Huh?
No, my wheels look better. The dark wheels. Little mock up. How are you liking the fitment?
Looks good so far.
Drill died mid-install. And now we're test fitting these NTO 6s, 0.7s. All right.
How many miles are on those?
You want to drive with these tires?
Camera. What?
Those 17s?
18.
I got the better for that cooler brake turn off.
Okay.
For the low skis. You see the Brembos? Dang. Okay. Getting some love today, ain't it?
I don't want you. Care about.
Lower.
What are you doing? Just taping that bumper on to see what it look like?
Two boys. The fitment is good though. A little bit camber. I do like the way that looks.
Those lowered.
Bad. Load them up. You gotta put them on the car. You know how to? Hold this. Bring it up?
Yeah.
This is a fitment with just screws, no 3M tape.
We're playing it the safest way possible.
No, the only way, if you want to keep this lip. But if it's, this is a eBay lip, but if it's,
Restart that.
this is a high quality lip. It's great, you know, has high quality parts wood.
Okay.
So test it without 3M tape, just screws. Can you put pressure on the front?
Yeah. You see it doesn't move at all.
Is it solid?
It's solid.
Alright, that's pretty good, but we're
So
still.
you don't need the tape.
So are we gonna put the tape?
We are.
Okay. That's great. That's all we need to know. And we're gonna get a nice little montage on some rips.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Is that it?
That's it.
That's all 3M tape, and let's hope it doesn't fly off.
Next shot is gonna be on it.
Give me the hit. Give me the hit. I can hear your turbo. I'm about to hit it.